Ended up in A&E right after filming this. Cheers, my love, to
15 years. Don't put me on camera with a microphone, please. Can't help myself.
You did play with Sabrina Carpenter's sister the other day.
I
Can we
did.
leave that?
Go in beside you a bit more.
Hello.
Hello. What brings you here?
We're back with Mr. Davie.
Hello.
He's here. We are gonna have champagne again.
Be a monthly segment.
You know what? Yes, maybe we should.
Champagne Wednesdays.
I'll say it to my accountant. Be like, I had to buy champagne.
Man, yeah, it's part of the show. Oh, it's a popper.
Yes. You don't have to go like you did before. Oh, it's a twist.
It's a twist
It's
off.
a twist.
How cheap are we?
Yay! You made it work.
Of course we
You're like, we actually found
our flutes.
our champagne flute.
They can't be played. Don't put me on camera with a microphone, please. Can't help myself. It's just part of what I do. Want me to actually pop the cork or just pull it out?
I don't know.
Okay, here, we'll give it a good pop-a-rooney. Ready?
No, I'm scared.
You'll be fine, you'll be fine. 3,
Okay.
2, 1.
That like actually took my breath away. Well, then let's do it in front of the microphone.
Cheers.
Cheers, my love, to
15 years.
It's like we rehearsed that, but we actually didn't. But me saying that sounds like we did rehearse it, but like we didn't.
Cheers, everybody.
Cheers. Cheers.
Thanks for being here.
And my mom wanted to ask you guys, how did you find me and what was your first video? I wanted to ask you, but I was really nervous about asking that because what if I asked that and then nobody left a reply?
As I just asked.
Okay, well, I'd love to know that, but I also want to ask this guy what his first video that he wanted to know.
First video I watched was a get ready with me. It was like a springtime get ready with me before I met you.
Springtime?
Where is this one?
Oh, that one.
Yeah, you were sitting outside and I thought it was really cute and I thought it was really nice.
I ended up in A&E right after filming this. This was a sponsorship and all of the money that I got from the sponsorship went on the hospital. I was telling them earlier about how I don't do sponsorships.
Oh, yes.
So this is one of the last ones I did and I ended up in hospital. The reason I don't do sponsorships anymore is basically because of this one particular company that I worked with. I just remember like crying and shaking. My brother had to take over communicating with this brand because of how bad it had gotten with the back and forth. It wasn't this brand, by the way.
Yeah, so it was this one, yeah. It's exactly 6 years. This is being filmed on the 7th of March. And the video that I first watched was from the 6th of March.
Wait, but I have a question. Why did you watch it?
This would have been roughly close enough to when we first started talking.
It was before we ever spoke to
It would have been, but I still
But we
would have
were just
got,
friends.
I would have been able to see anything in the future.
No, but
Yeah,
I
yeah.
was thinking that after we spoke, that
Yeah.
you went back and watched
Yeah.
this. Oh, sorry, I misunderstood what you were talking about. I thought you were saying that you had watched this, but we hadn't even communicated yet. I was so confused.
This guy knew who I was.
Wait a minute.
And this would have been a very recent upload. It would have only been within like 3 weeks.
Yes, no, that makes sense. Sorry. I'm thinking like, this is news to me.
Yeah. So weird. The dates are so close.
No. Aw.
Nice, isn't it?
Look how black my hair is.
I know. And you told me to never let you dye your hair black again.
Yes, he has made a promise to me. He is not to ever let me dye my hair black.
I did like the black hair.
But it was so much upkeep.
But then it was a nightmare to strip it out.
And now I don't dye my hair, hence why I'm grey.
You have highlights.
Well, yeah, no, sorry. I bleach my hair, I just don't
Oh,
dye
yes,
it.
yes,
This
yes.
is my own color. That's why I'm grey.
I'm grey too.
Yes, but it looks cute.
And I got a couple hidden here, but we just brushed it over.
Oh, I like the grey hair. It's pretty. Oh, I have a funny story. I might not include this. So I couldn't get the footage of my shoe, right? Because I was showing my outfit. That's my mom.
You did tell me that.
So I had to get my mom to stand in my shoes. And because my mom is so much shorter than me, she had to she was trying to stand up like really tall. And also my mom's feet are tiny. I'm a size 4, but she's even smaller than me. Did you secretly have a crush on me?
God, yeah.
Even though we were just besties.
Of course I did. Like, she got a good sense of style. Wearing a cool jacket, you got nice boots, jeans.
And now we share clothes all the time.
She buys the good stuff and then I just wear it for her.
Or my mom will buy me a shirt, but she's like, oh, but I bought the large so that you and David can share it.
We're pretty thrifty.
We are. See how my voice changes when I'm like talking to you? I was talking about that earlier as well. You weren't here for that. It was earlier on. I know people think that I fake my accent. I have no idea what's going to come out of my mouth. Every word is different. They all know about this.
I was still in bed.
He was sleeping. But you're gonna have a late night because you're going to a stag.
We have friends who are getting married and I have to go to the stag. And thankfully it's here in Cork, which is great. Karaoke and go-karting. And then there's... And
Is there really? I'm so excited as if I'm going.
We're watching the Ireland-France rugby match.
Oh, fun.
Yeah, so for someone who doesn't watch sports, I mean, yay, sports team.
And thank God he is not into sports, I have to say. Every time there is a match on, all you hear is the commentators being like, and in the background, all you hear is... It's like this constant hum. And I hate it. It really annoys me. So thankfully, I don't have to put up with that. Because my baby is a musician.
So you have to put up with lots of really other loud stuff that doesn't sound great when I practice.
That always sounds amazing. What are you talking about? You did play with Sabrina Carpenter's sister the other day.
I
Can we
did, actually.
leave that in? No?
If you want to.
you.
I met her sister at my gig and she asked to sing a song and we played some Shania Twain together. And then she was so generous and she got us tickets to the concert.
Yeah, I was looking for my t-shirt that you got me. I wasn't able to go.
We were meant to film this video and then at like 1:30 I got a call because we had a good time the previous night that we were invited to the concert. But thank you for being cool with it.
Oh, that's okay, my love.
I will say, unbelievable show.
Oh, I mean, she's amazing. She is like Britney Spears, Sabrina Carpenter, Taylor
Very,
Swift.
very,
Like, they're
very
my
good.
three. Oh, I feel like I want to leave somebody out and feel really bad about it. No, they're like my three blondes.
Well, it was an eventful Tuesday night and we're now here drinking rosé champagne.
I love how you clarified that it was rosé or just, I can't just say champagne. I'm going to do a makeup look inspired by champagne.
That's a good idea.
I thought that would be fun. Do you want more champagne? Might as well. You're going to Stag, why not?
You can't drink all day if you don't start early.
Okay.
So I can't give me a microphone, I swear to God. My stage character comes in.
Oh no. Anyway, my legs are falling asleep, so.
Mine too.
Okay, my outro used to be, I'm Sineady Katie, thank you for watching. And then I stopped doing it because somebody commented saying like, oh, I have to mute this. Why are you saying And I was like, why would I end every video being like, I'm a thank you for watching? And then I commented that back to them. They're like, yeah, I was wondering that too. And then I went to your Instagram and realized that your name is Sineady Katie and that's what you're saying. I'm like, yeah, but that's how I used to end my videos. But now I end my videos being be kind to yourself.
Be kind to others.
Okay, let's do that again.
Cheers, everybody.
Cheers.
Thanks for stopping by all the time. Thanks for being here.
And remember to be kind to yourself and be kind to others.
Yes.
And have nice people around you.
I agree.
Like you, my love.
Cheers. See you soon, everybody.
Bye. I hope that worked.
Oh yeah, it will. There's enough in there to get something out.
This is like the 4th time I've tried to film this video.
I know, but there's enough in there. There's enough in there. Isn't that great? Look, the battery's just about to go.
Yes.
Turn it off?
Yeah.
Or do I hit the button first?
And the bun first.
Is it done?